This is a 48 voltage 4-pin kWh solar home storage battery pack, a sensible video from Docan Amy. Or a sensible for a 48 voltage 280 mAh 3004 mAh solar home storage battery pack. Accessories parts are all included. BMS LCD display and fuse fixed on the front plate first. Setting the correct target is important. Use electric screwdrivers to thread and lock the screws on BMS. Put the tech switch button cap fixed on the LCD display. Connect the BMS cable black to black, white to white. The LCD display cable is easy to fix on. Use the Phillips electric screwdriver, thread and lock the M3 screws. This is the 10322.32 holes busbar is for connect with the fuse P positive. This is 30522.33 holes busbar is for connect with the fuse P negative. This is 27022.32 holes busbar is for connect with the B negative. This is 37022.34 holes busbar is for connect with the B plus. Use electronic screwdrivers, thread and lock the M4 screws for 4-piece power terminals.
Okay, good. Finally, this front of the front panel with the BMS LCD spring and the cover bottom wall connect wheel. This ion foam, 20 pieces, we included in the packing list, and each one you need to stick on the battery one by one, and then make sure the battery series direction conditions are correct and put into the battery case. Before putting in, we will already stick the insulation separators inside the inside of the battery metal box. Yes, first to make sure. Positive, negative, positive, negative. One by one. It's very easy to series if you are new, if you even don't know how to build, like me, this also is my first time, okay? Also can easy to make the series of the batteries just by middle size. This is the first one. Yeah, one by one. Okay. 3.3. 3.3.
After put battery cells into the metal box, use electronic screwdriver screw and lock the M3 screws on the front. Compress the PCB connection board and tighten it in the water as we lock the spring with M6 French nuts with a target index of 5 nm. Connect wire harness A and B and make sure.
Each PCB board has 2 temperature sensors. You can on the battery to be sure to display on the software. One by one, each one in the slowing the nut one by one. Then put this wire connection and then put the gasket again. This way don't make run. Yeah, don't make run. Final 2 pieces nut. Connect in the correct direction. This way. It's very small, so be careful. Okay, you can see the total weightage 52.76. Oh, congratulations for myself. The rules. Okay.
Install the software on your PC first, then connect with RS485 adapter to the port. Thanks for watching, share and follow and Docan Amy.